there, beautiful people. Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore products that truly elevate your self-care routine. Now, let's talk about something a bit different today, but equally essential, your smile. If you've ever struggled with sensitive gums, plaque buildup, or just want a more effective way to brush your teeth, this video is for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss a tip that makes your beauty routine smarter and healthier. I've been testing the Philips Sonicare ProtectiveClean 5100 Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush, model HX685711. It's designed for adults and promises to improve gum health by up to 100% and remove 3 times more plaque along the gum line compared to a manual toothbrush. This brush is equipped with a pressure sensor, 3 cleaning modes, clean, white, and gum care, a SmartTimer, QuadPacer, and up to 14 days of battery life. It even comes with a sleek travel case for on-the-go convenience. Right off the bat, the design feels premium. The white handle is minimalist and stylish, and the brush head is ergonomically shaped to fit comfortably in your mouth. Setting it up is straightforward. Charge it, attach the brush head, and select your preferred mode. The clean mode gives a thorough everyday clean, white mode targets surface stains for that brighter smile, and gum care mode provides a gentle massage to support sensitive gums. In practice, the brush's sonic technology is impressive. With up to 62,000 brush movements per minute, it really sweeps away plaque effectively. The pressure sensor is a standout feature. I noticed it immediately reduces vibrations if I brush too hard, which is a huge plus for anyone prone to gum sensitivity. I've used it morning and night for a couple of weeks, and my gums feel healthier, my teeth feel cleaner, and overall, the experience is effortless. The travel case is compact and sturdy, making it ideal for trips without compromising on hygiene. Now, for the honest take, pros definitely include the effectiveness in plaque removal, the thoughtful pressure sensor, multiple cleaning modes, long battery life, and convenient travel design. On the flip side, it's a bit on the pricier side for a toothbrush, and while the travel case is useful, it could be slightly larger to accommodate extra brush heads. Speaking of value, considering the advanced technology, gum protection, and convenience features, the price is justified for anyone serious about oral care. If you're on a tighter budget, there are other electric brushes with fewer modes or without a pressure sensor that still perform well, but they may not offer the same level of personalized care. Comparing it to other high-end electric toothbrushes, the Sonicare ProtectiveClean 5100 stands out for its balanced approach, offering gentle gum care without compromising on plaque removal, plus the smart features like the pressure sensor and SmartTimer that guide your brushing habits. The build quality feels solid, and with proper care, this brush should last for years. Battery performance is excellent. I easily get 2 weeks of use on a single charge. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Philips has a strong reputation for responsive customer support, and the brush is easy to replace parts on, which adds peace of mind. No recent updates have changed the performance significantly, so you're getting a reliable, well-tested product. Overall, I'd say the Sonicare ProtectiveClean 5100 is a smart investment if you care about gum health, effective plaque removal, and a customizable brushing experience. It's perfect for anyone looking to upgrade from a manual brush or a basic electric model, especially if sensitive gums are a concern. Thanks so much for watching Beautyistic. The link to grab your Philips Sonicare ProtectiveClean 5100 is in the comments. If you've tried this brush, drop a comment below and share your experience. I'd love to hear how it works for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.